how to teach your dog. You put food in your hand and you make a circle. And when your dog spins a circle, you click the treat. And soon you match it up with a word or twirl. And you don't use as exaggerated as a hand sign. Twirl. He's still learning. This is like his third session. Your dog will learn slow the first few tricks, but the first few tricks they'll know the best because they spent the most time working on it. Otis, sit. Stay. Otis, come here. Otis, sit. Stay. A good way to teach stay and like really make it like in your dog's head is to pair it up with a game, and I like to play this game where Otis has to look for the treat. He doesn't get to look for the treat unless he stays and stay until I release him. Let's find it. You can see he's very excited to find the treat. You just missed it. Oh, he found it. Good boy. Good boy, you silly. Let's spin. Let's spin. See, that's his favorite. That's his favorite spin. To teach your dog how to fetch, like the way Otis fetch is, he gets like this toy, he brings it back to me because he wants to get treats. The way you teach is you get the tennis ball and you open it up, you put treats inside, but you open like a slit, maybe 2 inches. When you push it, the slit will open and you can put treats inside. You show your dog you're putting treats inside. Your dog the first time will chase the tennis ball, and you will not be able to get the treats out because you know he's not coordinated enough. Oh, leave those treats, they're mine. And so you have to go to him and open the treat, and he will show you, like you will show him that you can open the treat, but he can't. So he will bring it to you to open it. Go get it. And soon you fill it up, but you don't give him the treats from inside. You give him from outside. And you do that. It took me about a month to teach Otis because he has no retrieving instinct at all. So if you have a Labrador, you're fucking lucky. Okay, you ready? This is also his favorite. He likes to kill it. See, look how high he jumps. Hop, hop, hop. Good boy. Okay. What's he doing, crazy boy?